Hello everyone, it's Beauty Beyond here. I'll be doing a tutorial on bridal makeup. Let's get started. I'm going in with my Too Faced Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer. I'm going to pat that all over my face. Then I'm going to use the Brow Zing by Benefit on my brows. As eye primer, I'm using the Pro Longwear Concealer by MAC Cosmetics. And I'm going to spread that all over my lid and pat it down with a tapered brush. Now I'll be using the Norvina palette by Anastasia. As my transition shade, I'm going in with Incense, then I'll be going in with Passion. Blend, 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 and now I'll be using my ABH Soft Glam palette and using the color Noir on the outer edge of my eye. Just blending in my previous transition color. Now I'm going in with my concealer again to cut my crease. I'll be using the color Base in my Norvina palette and I'll be patting that all over my eyelid. I'm going back in with Passion and I'm just laying that down on the outer edge of my eye, but not over the black, and I'm blending that into my crease a little bit. I will be using MAC Fix Plus to wet my MAC pigment in the color Whisper Pink all over my lid. To add dimension to the eye, I'll be going in with the color Dreamer in the middle of the lid, and then I'm going in with the color Bear on my brow bone. For a little bit of sparkle, I'll be using Diamond Dust by Stila. I'm going in with my NYX Vinyl Liquid Liner. I'll be using my NYX Concealer palette in the color Deep to color correct. Next, I'll be using the Huda Beauty Faux Filter High Coverage Foundation in Brown Sugar. To highlight, I'll be using Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. I'll be using the NYX Conceal palette again to contour and sculpt my features. I'll be using Too Faced Peach Perfect powder all over my face to set, then the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette to contour. While using the Too Faced powder again, I'm just chiseling under my cheekbones. I'll be dipping into my Norvina palette again and using Incense and Passion and putting that on my lower lash line, then going in with my Buxom mascara. Now I'm popping on some lashes. To set everything, I'll be using Medium Dark Mineralized Skinfinish powder by MAC Cosmetics. On my upper lash line, I'll be using the Carbon Black Infallible 16-Hour Never Fail Eyeliner by L'Oreal Paris. For my lower lash line, I'll be using the Infallible Longwear Eye Pencil in the color Black. For a pop of color, I'll be dipping into my Norvina palette again and using the color Drama on the lower lash line. Now I'm coating my lower lashes with my Buxom mascara. For blush, I want that blushing bride effect, so I'll be using Pinch Me by MAC Cosmetics. For a highlighter, I will be using Soft and Gentle Mineralized Skinfinish by MAC Cosmetics. Ever so lightly, I will be layering on the highlighter in all the points that touches light, so I'll look like a glowing bride. I'm using my mini fan brush for a precise application of the highlighter. To set my makeup, I'll be using Makeup Revolution Hyaluronic Fix Hydrating and Plumping Makeup Fixing Spray. For that extra glow, I'll be using Artiste Couture's Diamond Glow Powder in the color Conceited. I will be applying the color in the middle of my eye for that extra sparkle. A little bit on my cheekbone. prepping my lips to apply lip product. For liquid lipstick, I'll be using ColourPop's Frickin' Frack. I'm popping my Charlotte Tilbury lipstick in the color Very Victoria. I'm using Buxom lip gloss in the color Celeste for that little bit of shine. I'll be right back. All done. I hope you enjoyed watching this bridal makeup transformation, and if you're using this for your own wedding, I wish you much happiness and love throughout your lives together. Good luck.